Ever found yourself with a project deadline looming and the plan is falling apart right before your eyes? Or maybe you've had those sleepless nights wondering how you'll get everything done on time? If these moments sound all too familiar and a bit too uncomfortable, you're exactly where you need to be. Grab a cup of coffee and let's chat about tips you can use to navigate project deadlines. I'm Tina Marie Baugh. I have over 25 years of hands on experience in technology leadership. I aim to provide practical insights so seasoned tech experts turned managers can bridge the gap between their technical prowess and leadership excellence. Over the years, I've learned a thing or two about steering projects across the finish line, often under tight deadlines. Today, we're diving into practical tips to help you manage project timelines effectively, ensuring you and your team can meet your goals without burning out. First up, let's talk about prioritization. Before you dive into any project, it's crucial to identify what tasks must happen for the project to succeed. You'll hear project managers call these critical path tasks. For example, in a software deployment, critical tasks might include completing the core coding and ensuring compliance with data security standards. Next, determine what should happen, but isn't essential for the initial launch, like additional features that can enhance user experience but aren't crucial from day one. This approach helps you allocate your resources to what truly matters first and provides a buffer for flexibility. A side note, when making the list of must have and should have items, be sure to get buy-in from your team and stakeholders. It can be a mad scramble trying to fix something at go live that you believed was a should have, but the stakeholders believed was a must have. After you've prioritized tasks, setting realistic deadlines is your next step and your second tip. It's important to have a thorough understanding of your team's capacity and the project scope. An example is a system upgrade where initial estimates suggest 2 months based on ideal conditions. We want to consider, however, potential delays like hardware availability or testing phases. With this in mind, adjusting the timeline to a 3-month deadline can create a more manageable and stress-free environment for your team. Consult extensively with your team to gauge what can be realistically accomplished and factor in time for review and unforeseen issues. Another side note, when working with your team to set realistic deadlines, people have a tendency to want more time. Remember Parkinson's law, though, which is the idea that work will expand to fill the time allotted for its completion. We want to give teams the time they need to complete the work, but we don't want to drag it out. Finding the balance between pushing your team and giving them reasonable deadlines takes time and open communication. The third tip is incorporating agile methodologies. This can significantly enhance your project's adaptability and the team's response to changes. Agile methodologies are a set of principles and practices designed to promote flexibility, collaboration, and continuous improvement in project management. Projects are divided into short cycles or sprints, typically lasting a few weeks, which enable continual assessments and adjustments. For instance, in an IT infrastructure upgrade project, you might structure the rollout into phases, such as upgrading core network components, followed by server consolidation, and then implementing enhanced security measures. Each phase can be tackled in a sprint, with testing and feedback at the end of each phase before moving on to the next. This iterative approach not only keeps the project on track, but also proactively manages risks and ensures that any necessary adjustments are implemented promptly, keeping the final product more aligned with user expectations. The fourth tip for navigating tight project deadlines is continual, open, and strategic communication, which is essential not only within the team, but also with stakeholders. Ensure that you're holding regular meetings, be it daily stand-ups or weekly project syncs, to keep everyone updated and on the same page. Daily stand-ups are brief, focused meetings used to quickly share progress and immediate issues among team members, typically lasting no more than 15 minutes. These are useful for ensuring that everyone knows their priorities for the day and can flag any urgent concerns. Weekly project syncs, on the other hand, are more comprehensive meetings that provide an opportunity for deeper discussion on the project's progress, involving both core team members and key stakeholders. These sessions are instrumental in strategic planning, resolving complex issues, and aligning with long-term goals. For these frequent touch points, consider the purpose and desired outcome to avoid meeting fatigue. In addition to live meetings, leverage asynchronous communication channels like emails or messaging platforms such as Microsoft Teams. This allows team members to stay informed and contribute on their own time, enhancing flexibility and efficiency. For example, during a major IT infrastructure overhaul, daily briefings via quick messages could address immediate concerns, while email summaries post meetings can ensure that all stakeholders are informed of the project status and next steps without needing to attend every meeting. This multifaceted approach to communication ensures that the right information reaches the right people at the right time, prevents bottlenecks, and allows for effective contributions from all parties involved. Our fifth and final tip is to monitor the project with success metrics and adapt strategically. Using project management tools provides a real-time check on each phase, allowing you to gauge project health continuously and respond quickly to any deviations from the plan. For example, let's say you're rolling out a new database system with a tight deadline. By setting specific milestones and reviewing them weekly, you can determine if the project is lagging. If a milestone is missed, this is your cue to adapt. Adaptations might include reallocating resources, such as pulling in additional team members from less critical tasks, postponing non-essential features to a later phase, or reducing the scope of work to meet critical deadlines. This proactive approach is crucial when navigating tight project deadlines. It's not just about tracking progress. It's about being ready to make tough decisions that ensure project objectives are met. Employing these tactics ensures that you not only stay on track, but also optimize your team's output under pressure, thereby meeting your deadlines more consistently. And there we have it. 5 crucial strategies to effectively manage your project deadlines. We've covered the importance of prioritizing tasks, setting realistic deadlines, leveraging agile methodologies, maintaining robust communications, and staying vigilant with project monitoring and adaptation. As we continue to navigate the vast and dynamic landscape of technology leadership, I invite you to dive deeper by checking out my other videos. Each one is designed to offer you actionable insights and strategies to enhance your leadership skills in the tech industry. Until next time, innovate, inspire, learn, and lead. You got this.